It looks like OnePlus may be launching 3 OnePlus 7 variants in the first half of 2019. The OPPO Reno is now official, and all we can say is that the leaks were kind of accurate, and we get a teaser of the Lenovo phone with 100 megapixel images. I'm Jaime Rivera, and yeah, I'm about to leave San Francisco, sadly. It's been fantastic. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. Those of you in the market for an Apple Watch Series 3, again, the composite back is one of the things that I do not recommend, but still, it's currently on sale at Amazon, $229, and you can actually get an extra band for like $5. So again, if you're in the market, you can learn more in the description. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy A80 that was just announced. I mean, yesterday we covered the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 processor. This is pretty much the first phone with it, and what makes it really cool is that you don't just have a slider. You also have a swivel camera, which the last time that I saw that was with the OPPO N3, I believe. That was a long time ago, so much so that I don't remember. But specifications look really decent for a premium mid-ranger, and the fact that you can just use the primary camera to serve for everything else is actually kind of cool. Hopefully we get one in the labs for review. Now let's move the spotlight over to Lenovo, as the company just teased something to happen on April 26. We're assuming that this is some flagship that the company is bringing, and they are teasing Hyper Video. With all the high-level specifications, we even hear something like 100 megapixel photos. That could just be the case of something being stitched together. Whatever the case may be, stay tuned. Obviously, we will be covering it. Now let's talk about the OPPO Reno, which just became official. The leaks and everything that was shown off was pretty much confirmed. And we have two variants, if I understood this correctly. One of them with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, the other with the 710, and obviously, depending on whichever variant you pick, you have various specifications, including that 10x zoom that the company is providing with that periscopic technology that we had seen pretty much at MWC. Obviously, I can't wait to tell you more. As soon as we get one for review, I'll keep you posted. So far, it looks like a really good phone, and the price tag doesn't seem too crazy. You can learn more in the description. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the OnePlus 7, and that's an S at the end because apparently there are going to be up to 3 variants of the phone. There are some leaked images of a device where it's all display, no bezels, and apparently this is the OnePlus 7 Pro, which we're assuming to have that I don't know, pop-up camera in addition to the triple cameras at the back, 48, 16, and 8 megapixel resolutions. But we're already wondering what the regular OnePlus 7 is going to be then, because this one has all the flagship specifications. Could it be that the company is working on 2 different designs and probably not providing the T variant later this year? Because we hear that there are up to 3 where one of these devices is going to be the 5G variant. In today's question, let us know, what do you think? OnePlus 7 Pro with great specifications, pop-up camera and everything. Do you like what you see or not? Because in my case, I like what I see. I just hope that the camera is just as great as the leaks that we've seen. But that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.